Hello, today we are going to integrate the Notion MCP server in Cursor client, like Cursor MCP client. Recently, Notion has released this remote MCP server. So we don't need to download it on your local machine. You can just use the URL provided by Notion. So this talk, if you see, what is Notion MCP? It's a tool which will allow any AI to interact with Notion pages. So it's like building a bridge between Notion and AI tools, right? We are just going to go ahead and install it. So they have already added the server in this Notion, not Notion, sorry, Cursor MCP server directory. I'm just going to click open Cursor, and then we get this CTL. We most likely need to maybe log in, correct? We need to log in, and then see if it'll ask for access. It can view pages, it can edit pages, it can create content in the pages. So we are just going to go ahead and select one page. Uh, Not this. I'm just going to go ahead and since I'm working on this, I'm going to okay. This should be fine now. Yes. So if you see, it's enable search, fetch, create pages, update pages, move pages, duplicate pages, and all those things. Okay. So I'm just gonna say I'm working on a project called Sin Social. Where I'll be implementing multiple Instagram pages will be managed by AI. Can you please create a detailed development plan and add in my Notion page? So ideally it should be able to understand it that what I'm trying to say, create a development plan, and then add in that page. So if you see, it's trying to say, it's trying to search in the Notion. Then I guess it got that page, and then it's calling fetch on that page. After this, it should ideally be able to create a development plan and then add it into that page. Let's see what it does. So if I go right now on that page, it's empty. Okay, now it's calling create pages. I don't know why it's calling create pages. It might be creating a sub page inside that page because I've already created the page. Okay, so I've created a detailed development plan for your project, and it also gave me the link, but I will just go and then see. Yeah, correct. So it created a sub page inside this page, and it has already created the development plan. So this is a very rough thing to do, but you can see how it can be useful. So if you have already, let's say, any database which you are making, and then you want to add in some detail, fetch some detail into the context, so it might be very useful. Thank you.